It's Mindful Monday. Let's get breathing. Hi, I'm Anna and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we're trying to live our best life even though we probably don't feel like it. And today we're going to be learning how to use the relaxation breathing technique, box breathing. And so it's one of the tools in my toolbox of dealing with anxiety and phobias, and it's something that I will definitely be using when I hop on that plane next month to go on my dream trip to Costa Rica, even though I have aerophobia. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified of all my videos, go ahead and ring the bell and you'll get notifications. And finally, if you don't mind interacting with this video in some way, that would be so cool. Comment below, what are your favorite go-to breathing techniques to help to relax? All right, let's dive right in. So box breathing is one of many different relaxation methods that I'm going to be using and that I have used to deal with anxiety over the last couple of years. And I really like this one because it not only helps you with breathing, but it really gives you something to focus on and distract yourself with, which is that counting. And so there are a few different ways to do it, but the first thing you're going to do is you're going to visualize an actual box with 4 sides in front of you. And so as we do this exercise, each side of the box is going to be one go through of the breathing that we're going to be doing. So to do a complete box, we're going to do the exercise 4 times. And so you can continue to do that. And the cool thing is that when you're visualizing this, you have something, you have counting to do, you have something for your body to do, and then you have something to actually visually see as you're doing this. And you even could draw it if you wanted to while you're doing it. You could trace it with a finger, on your leg or on your iPad, whatever. And so this one's really easy. So we're going to be dealing with all 4 sides of the box, and counts of 4s as we're dealing with everything else. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you are seated somewhere comfortably or uncomfortably, because you might need this in your toolbox for dealing with anxiety at work or on the bus or in your car or on a plane, wherever it is. And you want to make sure that your back is straight, put your feet on the floor, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and out. And let's just come at this from a place of relaxation. So for each inhalation, you're going to breathe in through your nose, and for each exhalation, you're going to go out through your mouth. And so we're dealing with 4. So you're going to think about that first side of your box. You're going to breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Hold for 4 on the corner, breathe in for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. So for each side of the box, it's inhale, hold for 4 in the center of the side, exhale, hold for 4 on the corner. Inhale, 4 in the center, exhale, 4 on the corner. And so we're inhaling 4, holding, exhale 4, hold. If holding for 4 is too many beats for you, then just do 2. If inhale and exhale, if 4 is too many for you, then just do 2. If you can do more than 4, do 4. With this one though, it's kind of all explained like it's 4s because that works for the whole box thing. 4 sides, they're all equal, etc. And so as you are counting, you can tap your toe if you want to, or tap your fingers to get that tempo. If the tempo is too fast, you can change that to anything you want. You can speed it up, you can slow it down. So you want to do this exercise for as long as it takes and as many times around the box as it takes for you to be fully engaged in nothing but the box breathing. Counting, feeling your breath come in and out, being as relaxed as possible, and to help you to overcome whatever the anxiety thing is that's happening in that moment. And then once you've got your heartbeat regulated, you've maybe stopped shaking, you've stopped sweating, you've stopped having all of the feelings that are getting you there, then you know that it's working. And so you want to just keep going with it as long as it's going to take for you to calm down and regulate that sympathetic nervous system just a bit. The idea behind it is to slow down your breathing, regulate your heart rate, and that can help you feel more calm and more focused. It can be done anytime, anywhere, and is a great technique to use in stressful situations. Before bed, it's great for falling asleep, or anytime you feel like you need to relax or calm down. So you can use this for insomnia, you can use it for anxiety, you can use it for anger if you're having a moment. The only time I would not recommend doing this is while you're driving, of course, because you want to stay focused on the road. But even the counting and the breathing, just not visualizing the box, that is still something that you could do. And I will be creating a box breathing YouTube short and a TikTok to go along with this. That's going to be an actual mindfulness video. So if you want to look for that, you can check out my videos below to try to find that and have a guided meditation through the box breathing. I really hope that this helped you, and thank you so much for going on this adventure with me today. Keep coming back, take care of you, and don't forget to live your best life. Bye.